In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert new timeframes on MetaTrader 5 desktop. If you've ever wished you could view your charts on a different interval, like a custom minute or hour setting, MetaTrader 5 makes that possible through its timeframe customization tools. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can quickly add and manage new timeframes on your desktop platform. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you have at least one chart displayed. At the top of the platform, you'll see the standard timeframe options, usually laid out as buttons such as M1, M5, M15, H1, H4, and so on. These represent the default intervals for how each candle or bar is built on your chart. To begin customizing, move your mouse over that row of timeframe buttons. Now, right-click directly on any of the existing timeframes. It doesn't matter which one you pick. The right-click is simply telling MetaTrader that you want to work with the timeframe settings. When you right-click, a small context menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled Customize and left-click on it. This will open a separate window dedicated to managing which timeframes are visible and available on your toolbar. Think of this window as the control center for your chart intervals. Inside the Customize window, you'll see two main sections. One side shows the list of available timeframes that are not currently displayed, and the other side shows the timeframes that are already active on your toolbar. From here, you simply follow the on-screen prompts. Use the Add or Insert buttons to bring new timeframes from the available list into your active list. If there are timeframes you never use, you can highlight them in the active list and remove them to keep your toolbar clean and simple. Take a moment to arrange the order of your timeframes so the ones you use most often are easy to reach. Once you're happy with your selection, confirm your changes by clicking OK or Close, depending on what the prompt shows. Your chart toolbar will update immediately, and your new timeframes will appear alongside the existing ones. That's all there is to it. By right-clicking the timeframe area, choosing Customize, and then following the on-screen instructions, you can tailor MetaTrader 5 to match your trading style and make switching between timeframes much more efficient.